Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, beautiful collection, and excellent color combinations. Here we have a parrot green, little lighter shade, parrot green, beautiful color. Completely copper zari and silver zari buttas are done all over the saree. Closely weaved design. Vertically we have 18 buttas. Very beautiful one alternatively, and it comes all over the saree, the butta collection. 1000 butta concept, borderless, and the same colors given for the blouse piece and pallu also. No contrast concept with very beautiful dazzling copper zari work, and we have plain blouse piece. An excellent collection in single color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees. A very elegant combination. Here we have a dual tone color, orange and rusty orange color mixed with mild pink, very light the pink is coming, mostly rusty orange color, elegant gold shade on the saree with gold zari and silver zari buttas. The buttas are elegantly done. Vertically we have 18 buttas, the closely weaved design all over the saree. It comes borderless concept and completely in single color too. No contrast concept for the pallu, and you can see the gold zari work in the pallu, very grand pallu, silver zari work vertical borders. And we have plain blouse piece in same color. The pallu dresses are already made. A very elegant color, almost a gold color saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees in silver and copper zari. Here we have a beautiful dual tone color for the saree. Excellent color, olive green mixed with pink color to get a beautiful glowy brownish green. It is very elegant and different color, rare cross color combination too. And we have the small buttas design, 18 buttas in a row vertically, copper and silver alternatively used, and it comes all over the saree. Very different color, exclusive color lovers will love this saree with beautiful pallu. Pallu is also very grand using gold jet, copper zari and silver zari, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Very elegant, beautiful cross color saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept, very elegant sarees in single color all over the saree, no contrast concept here. And we have a very pretty sweet pink color, bright pink it is, very eye-catchy, always lovable, girly color. And we have buttas, 1000 buttas concept, small buttas done using copper and silver zari, gold and silver zari, and 18 buttas vertically it's been done. Very closely weaved design, very excellent rich collection in single color concept. And we have the gold zari butta collection in the pallu also, grand pallu with silver zari work as well with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent color choice with a very elegant design, and it comes with authentic silk mark. The saree is a hand woven saree. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees, borderless concept, completely hand woven, beautiful collection. Here we have a copper sulphate blue color, blue with mild green mix, very elegant, excellent tone with gold and silver zari buttas all over. Gold zari and silver zari buttas are done vertically, and 18 buttas in a row. Very beautifully it's been done. It's a closely weaved, very elegant design. And the pallu of the saree is also very grand here with gold zari, and only in the vertical borders we have silver zari here with plain blouse piece, and the pallu tassels are already made. The color is really attractive and eye-catchy with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, very beautiful sarees. Very different combination color, dual tone color here, blue mixed with crimson half white. Light blue mixed half white crimson color, and blue is mixed here. The weft thread is blue, very elegant one. Can get both glossy view because of the dual tone color with 1000 butta concept. Copper zari and silver zari is used here for the buttas alternatively, and we have 18 buttas in a row vertically, borderless, and we have the same color pallu. Pallu also have a very pretty copper zari work with plain blouse piece. And see the warp thread, it is crimson as I said. Excellent color, a rare combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees here with a borderless concept. olive green base color. The complete saree is in olive green, pallu also, and we have tiny buttas design, silver and copper alternatively used for the butta designing. 18 buttas in a row vertically. You can see the closely weaved beautiful hand work design, completely handcrafted one. With the pallu with the dazzling copper jari work, only silver is given for the vertical borders and plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color and is beautifully hand weaved with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in an excellent color. The complete saree is in single color here. The pallu, the blouse piece and body is completely dark, deep forest green color. Something more than bottle green. Excellent color, deep color. The buttas are very visible on this dark base color. Very elegant one. Dark algae color also you can call. In Tamil it is called as pasam, pasa color. And gold and silver jari buttas are used here. Very closely it's been weaved. 18 buttas vertically. Elegant one. Borderless. And the pallu is also very pretty. Gold zari worked pallu. This is just the vertical borders. We have silver jari. Plain blouse piece is given in same color. Very elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, very elegant sarees in an excellent pastel shade color. Here we have a pink and lavender mix, beautiful color, a pastel shade pink, mild lavender tinge, very elegant one with 1000 butta concept. Copper and silver alternatively used here for the buttas and 18 buttas in a row vertically. Alternatively both copper and silver are used. All over the saree the butta work will come and the same color is given for the blouse piece and pallu also with copper zari work. And we have plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, beautiful saree in a running color combo. Pastel shade with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in copper and silver zari work. Borderless one. Grand design. Dark choco brown color. Almost burgundy brown. With silver and copper zari buttas, 18 in a row, weaved perfectly. Vertically it's been done. Excellent weaving, borderless concept, completely handmade. Beautiful collection with same color pallu. Pallu also have very grand copper zari work. Only the vertical borders we have silver zari and we have plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color. Beautiful color too with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in single color, borderless one. And here we have a beautiful magenta pink, elegant one, dark shade magenta pink color with copper and silver zari weaving. The buttas are done in alternatively copper and silver. 1000 butta concept. Vertically we have 18 buttas and we have same copper zari work pallu. You can see the copper finish on this color, beautiful glossy finish with plain blouse piece in same color. The complete saree is in running concept. Excellent color shade saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, borderless sarees, perfectly hand weaved, beautiful single color sarees here, no contrast concept. Here Ananda blue is mixed with green to get a very different and beautiful color. A blue with mild green tinge color. Very elegant one with the buttas in gold and silver alternatively used. And it is 18 buttas vertically. You can see the grossness, beautifully it's been done. Handcrafted work, visibly it's there in the saree. And we have a pallu which is very beautiful, gold jari one with vertically the silver jari borders weaved perfectly with plain blouse piece. Almost a teal blue color it is giving with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with 1000 butta concept, very rich and grand sarees here. Now beautiful green color, elegant pallu here, beautiful one again. Gold jari work with silver jaris in the vertical borders, and we have a very beautiful same color blouse piece. No contrast concept, completely in single color, running color. The saree color is also a goldish green. You can see a beautiful gold glow on the saree. Elegant green color. And we have two buttas, gold and silver. 18 buttas vertically, closely weaved design. 1000 butta concept, and the butta design is also very beautiful. The kanji type weaving, completely handcrafted work, borderless one with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varsi, 1000 butta concept, very beautiful sarees. Here we have a very beautiful and rare collection color, pastel green, pale green color, very different one, greyish green color with copper and silver zari, 1000 butta design sarees, borderless concept. So you can see the alternatively copper and silver is used. Vertically we have 18 buttas. All over the saree the butta work will come in rich collection with copper zari work pallu. Single color, no contrast in this saree. Copper zari work is very beautiful on this color with vertical silver borders, and we have plain blouse piece. The concept of the saree as well as the color is rare collection with authentic silk.